Okay, so an individual had this John Deere LT133 that wasn't running and they just wanted it out of the yard. So I went and picked it up and did a couple things, put on a starter, put in some fresh gas, solenoid was shot. Well, it wasn't shot to start with, but the second time I tried to start it, the solenoid stuck in the start position and the starter motor started smoking, so ended up getting a new solenoid in there and ordered a new starter motor, put that in, and she started up, cuts grass. The blades are dull, of course, and everything, but the hood was busted off of it, which started me thinking I could build a snowplow for it. And that's what I did. 42-gallon poly bucket, or poly barrel, cut in half. And then I am going to get some stall mat or some heavy rubber for the cutting edge. Just put it down on the bottom down here, because that poly's not going to last long. Just bolted through it. Made a nice little arm. Got just a basic lever for moving it up and down, which is actually, this is an actual handle off of one of these yellow shovels that had busted. So, but that way I can lift it up and down, keep it off the ground. Just got added a little bolt here I'm gonna notch this so that that washer fits in there. That way it won't slip out. Not that it's gonna slip off now, but yeah. Basically the width of the machine. So we'll get her painted up and I'll let you know what she looks like when she's done, when she gets painted. All right, there we go, and we've got her all painted up. Should work pretty good. That little 13-horse Kohler on it. Get her all detailed before the snow flies. All right, as with most of my projects, once I think they're done, there's something else that needs to be added. Found these sweet old tire chains that I had laying around. I think they're for like some 1975 16-inch bias ply tires. So I cut those bad boys down and threw them on the back. So get a little more traction in the snow. So there, as of right now, I think that's the finished product.